Create birthday wishes video by photo in Kinemaster very easily. This is the end result of this video. Open Kinemaster and select the aspect ratio according to your requirements. For YouTube Shorts, for Instagram, I am creating for YouTube, so I select it. Add the videos first. These are free videos, you can use them anywhere. The link of all the video are available in the video's description. Add these videos first and then add photos to whom you are creating the birthday wishes video. To add photos, click here, then tap Media and select from your phone. Hereafter follow the steps as I am doing here. If you don't have the birthday frame, just go to the store section and install the frame for free. I add one more photo to show different effect. From the link you will also get this video. To add music, click here, select from your phone. If you don't have any birthday music, you can download that from any website.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Once you're done, click here to export and save in your phone.